Today we are playing a Survive Life Forever, but this is not the video. Today we are gonna test my keyboard if it's loud. I got two keyboards on, and right now I'm pressing a different button. If y'all can hear it, that means the keyboard is loud. The keyboard is loud. Press it. I don't see your keyboard. Shift lock. I got a Bluetooth. What a lag. I got a Bluetooth keyboard and I got a wireless keyboard. I gotta plug it in where my mouse is, but I won't use my mouse, but I see if we can at least get one rebirth and every single keyboard. But on this, but I gotta bring my thing. It's like a tool that you can put like USB or your mouse thing. I put the mouse thing in it, and I put where my charger is, and then I can use the mouse. That's what I'm about to do, okay? Now, we just need one rebirth. Okay, now we just need one more. Okay, now we can rebirth, but we don't got the barrel. Just my mouse so loud. Ronnie Geometry Dash. Get out! Damn! And I am gonna talk in the videos, but I'm gonna be quiet if for y'all understand. I mean, y'all can hear the keyboard. it is, chat. There it is. Galavaka. Oh. Gotta be in this rock. Gotta come here. Go up. Ah, so hard. See, I just got unlucky. Whose name is Strawberry? Okay. What is that, a vodka? Just gonna get over with this rebirth. Can I go up? I'm pressing jump so... Wait. Hello? Okay. Okay, every single time I'm in a rock, I'm just saying this. Oh my gosh, I got so lucky. And I don't have any Robux to buy a ladder. Is my jump button really that loud? And can I really get a thumbs up and a subscribe button? And guys, when I was playing this game, right, just to try it out, a lucky block was in my inventory, and I opened it. First try, I got a celestial. Hold up, I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, I'm back. I can still not get my first rebirth. I still cannot get my first rebirth. I think I'm about to switch keyboards, but what a lag. What the heck? I locked in there. What is that? There you are. Can I get a Lavaca? Damn. Okay, bro. Okay, guys. I gotta get the thing to put in my mouse. I just gotta be back. Okay, I'm back. So let's see if I can set this up. Okay. Now take out my mouse and put it on. Yep, it still works. Now I gotta turn off my keyboard. Get the second keyboard right here. This thing is massive. Plug it in. And let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Okay. If y'all can see on the bottom left, right here, it says connect, right? And I turn it off. The bottom left. It doesn't say disable, but it is disabled. Okay, guys, here this keyboard. Numbers, switch keys. The shift button doesn't work for some reason. And my exit button doesn't work. Am I stuck? Hello? Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so okay, there we go. Okay. If I don't press the keys hard, it's not gonna make nothing. When I press this, when I press the key all the way down, it doesn't make no sound. So you're not gonna hear it. Let's see if we can get the first rebirth on this. Okay, we can take this Grandma and Madonna. Now we just wait for a secret to spawn here. Tab. He's a Rebirth 4. Okay, if I had Robux, I would definitely teleport back to base. But I'm gonna grab this Grandma. I think I need this for Rebirth. Just making sure. Oh my god, this stupid rocks. Okay, I got my Grandma. We don't need that. We don't need that for rivers, guys. Whoa, that's brown. Plus we opened the swag soda. Skip his time forever. We're at 18. Our base is almost finished. And guys, just about this new game has blown up, right? And we're talking about keyboard, right? This game has a secret obby. I don't need to get the barrel because I already did. Guys, comment down below. Do not go to the video and skip and see which barrel that's from. The obby. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Not these two because I got one of them from the Lucky Block, which is the swag soda and the Grandma. So 102. Pretty sure this one is in the index. It's a mythic. Yep, it's in the index. 1 or 2. Comment down below. Do not skip the video. Comment down below. So right here, in this area, right here, there's a secret obby. Right here. I suck at obbies. And now I'm about to tell you what you can get. Hold up. Just to tell you guys, if you don't know the path, if you get on this part, hello? I don't want to go on shift lock because my mouse is about to get stuck. That's annoying. Okay, if you get stuck on this one is red. And then that part, it took me like 2 hours to do that part, and then I got this burner out right here. Wait, I'm supposed to be opening my camera. I keep thinking about Christmas, but Christmas already passed. Keybind, not bad. Guys, comment down below. You can make a second comment for this question right now. Should I make a game? Yes or no? Okay. We couldn't get our first rebirth, but I'm still gonna try. Comment down below. Do a third comment. Which one sound better? Let me unplug this one quick. Which one sound better? The first one? Okay, or the second one. Comment down below, first one or second one. And we are